install cabinet C. Mark the points to be drilled. Check the correct points. Drill holes with an impact drill. Secure back clip with expansion screws. Install the hook on the cabinet. Hang cabinet onto back clip. Next, calibrate the cabinet with a level. Adjust the cabinet's level using the 4 feet at the bottom. Keep the bubble centered. Now prepare to install cabinet A. Same as installing cabinet C. Secure the cabinet to the wall and keep it level with cabinet C. Unscrew the screws and remove CS panels. Connect one end to A. Pass the other end through the back of the cabinet. Connect to C. Mount on the wall. Put the batteries into the cabinet. Pay attention to the battery orientation. Ground the batteries and secure with nuts. Connect the batteries to the cabinet. Install the ACS panels. Install the electricity meter. Install the inverter bracket on cabinet A. Secure tightly. Install the inverter on cabinet A. First align the holes, then tighten the screws. Connect the round head end to cabinet A. Now start connecting the other end to inverter. First, install BAT plus and BAT. Loosen the top screws first. Insert the cables. Then tighten the screws. Unscrew the screws and remove the protective cover. Pass the cables through the protective cover. Then install it. Install the PV cables correctly. Start connecting the inverter to the gateway. Connect the inverter to the backup. Next, connect the meter. Install the Wi-Fi stick clockwise to cabinet A. First, switch on the grid breakers to complete the startup. Then switch on the inverter breaker. Next, turn on the breakers on cabinets A and C. Finally, press the start button on both cabinets. The screen should be working. Then you should start commissioning on the installer APP. Install and secure the enclosures. Align with the positioning holes and install the front panel. Install the panels on both sides. Secure the panel of device C.